Great, let's continue our next step. How can we change this building plan into a solid building volume? The first step, we need to connect all of the lines into one closed line. We need to use joint option here, the joint command, and you click it. We change all lines into one closed line already. And then we are going to offset it, find edit curve, and then we can find offset curve. We may want it to be 0.8 distance, so we just input 0.8. If you are Rhino beginners, please pay more attention to your comment bar, okay? Click it, you will find you create another line inside of it. Okay, the next step, what we do is we need to make a solid wall, so we go extrude straight, and then have a look at your comment bar. We want a solid wall, right? So we click solid, yes, and go this hit. So we get our solid walls. And then we need to do a small roof, and we just go planar surface. Basically, when Rhino engineer designs a tailbar, it starts from the lines and then edit line and how to make surface, edit surface, the solid box, and edit box, edit solid things, and then some joint, explode, group, trim, split, and group. This command can edit your lines, surface, and solid volume. So there is a working flow. It's very helpful when you design your building, like from the lines to the end of your design. Okay, let's continue our roof. Let's make a surface. We use planar curves, and then we just go select all of the lines here and press enter. We will say there is a surface, and then we drag it a little bit up, and then we want it to be a little bit smaller, so we scale it down, and 0.8, this way 0.82, and then okay, cool, we got it. We want to have the roofs, right? And then we use loft command. I will tell you how to use loft command a little bit later, so you just follow it now. It's okay. Press enter, enter. Oh, sorry. Let's do it again. Cool. And we select loft. Press enter. Okay. Press enter, select curves. Okay. If you press enter or right click or space on your keyboard, it repeats the last command you did. So we just press enter. So when you do this step, you can just press enter again, and you will see your command by repeating your last command. Select your curve. Okay, cool. And now we have done our roof. Let's select all of the roofs. If you select your models from the right side to left side, it means you select all of them, you see. But if you select them from left side to right side, you have to include all of your objects like this. If you just do it like this, it won't select the object. It only selects something include of your mouse, you can see. So we just select it in this way, and then we can change it into another color layer, maybe the blue one. Then you can say the same roof. Cool. The next command you will learn is how to draw a box. Let's draw a door. maybe we want it disable use the mouse, and then we just drag it into our wall. Yeah. We want to create a door, right? So let's go edit solid tools, and then we use Boolean difference. Select this box. So let's go to find Boolean difference again. Okay, select the wall and select surface or poly surface to subtract from, and then press enter. Okay, you get your door. And let's create 2 more boxes. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, copy another one. Just drag it a little. And then put it in the wall, and we just select the wall. We can Boolean difference again. We have already selected the solid wall and press enter. Sorry, let's do it again. Select surface or poly surface to subtract with. Okay. Press your shift and you can select some more. Press enter again. Let's try another comment, then we can create the windows. Now we are using make a surface from 4 edge curves, this one. And we just select the window frames. Oops. Do it again. This one. This one. Yep. And then we just repeat the same comment. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have many comments that we can use to create a surface. And then we just select some more and create label thickness. Yeah. And then select some more, we change it to another layer. Yeah. Cool, we have done our models. And another comment I want to tell you is how can we select this surface. When you click the wall, you can't select this surface, right? So how can we select just this surface? You can explode the solid wall and select it, but it's not a good way. Just need to press Shift and Control together on your keyboard. So Control plus Shift, and you just click the wall. You will say you can select it. And if you drag it, the circle here a little bit, you will say you can create another thickness. Cool, that is basically what we learned for this tutorial. Let's have a look at what we used. The first thing we used joint, right? The second one is offset curve. The third one is extruded, is this one. And the fourth one, I think, made the surface, right? So we made the surface, and then we used loft comment to make our roof. And then we create a surface from 4 curves. So it's this one. Cool. Practice, guys. Thank you.